everyone, welcome to our Facebook Live. I'm Eadda from Anyang Zhenxin Metallurgical Materials Company. Yes, and today we are going to talk about one of the most important and exciting materials in the stainless steel world. Yes, the nitride ferrochrome. Or you can also say it's a nitride, ferrochrome nitride. Yes, and during this live, I will share the first is what the ferrosilicon nitride really is and why it matters for steel making. How Chinese factory ensure consistent quality. What's happening in the global ferrosilicon nitride market right now? And most importantly, how to choose the right supplier and avoid hidden risks. Yes, so please feel free to drop your questions or your country name in the comments, and I will try to grade and answer as many as possible. Okay, the first part, let's start with the basics. Basics. What is nitride ferrochrome? Yes, what is nitride ferrochrome? Ferrochrome nitride, nitride ferrochrome, is an alloy of chrome, iron, and nitrogen. Yes, with nitrogen intentionally added and stabilized in the metal matrix. Mathematics, yes, and it's 这是什么题？And the core purpose is introduce the nitrogen into stainless and alloy steels to increase strength, improve corrosion resistance, and often allow partial substitution of nickel. Yes, um, it's mainly the ferrochrome nitride is mainly used in stainless steel and alloy steel production, especially for grades that require high nitrogen and high strength. Yes, and about the key benefits of ferrochrome nitride. For example, the higher strength and yield. Yes, because nitrogen increases the tensile and yield strength without a major density or process penalties. Penalties and improve the corrosion resistance, especially in austenitic and depth alloys, and cost optimization. Yes, by reducing nickel content in some stainless grades, manufacturers can lower raw materials cost, making production more cost effective. Yes, and better fatigue and wear resistance. Yes, improve the 8 ferrochrome nitride can improve steel quality, especially fatigue and wear resistance. Advantages for pump shafts, fasteners, and critical components. So you can think of it this way. In the family of ferroalloys, ferrochrome nitride is the one that makes stainless steel both stronger and cheaper. Yes, that's you can also think in this way. And in high-end stainless grades like 200 series, duplex stainless steel, and high nitrogen steels, the ferrosilicon nitride is also indispensable. Indispensable. And maybe you will be curious about the Nitride Ferrochrome specification. I will share the typical technical ranges used in industry. For example, the chrome content is between 60% and 70%. Yes, it's the common range for ferrochrome bases, and the nitrogen always is between 3 to 10%. Yes, our European buyers prefer nitrogen content of 3 to 4%, and while buyers in the Middle East and other regions prefer nitrogen content of 8 to 10%. Yes, so if you have different nitrogen requirements, you can also mention when you when you send your inquiry to us. Yes, and we can supply the nitrogen between 3 to 10%. Look forward to talk about the specification with you. And about the carbon, yes, the carbon also the important element in the ferrochrome nitride. And the carbon content in the ferrochrome nitride is always very low. Yes, often lower than 0.03% when intended for high-grade stainless use. Yes, but also uh, it's just often lower than that 0.03. But also our clients also required the nitride ferrochrome about its carbon content its carbon content lower than 0.06%. Yes, this is okay. And which grade are you using now? If you have some ideas, if you want to talk about it, welcome to leave your comments in the comments area. And then about the second part, we just shared the typical specification and its key benefits of the ferrochrome nitride. Now uh, let's turn to the next part. It's about the practical application and metallurgical uses. Serious stainless steels, yes, practical nickel replacement to lower costs while retaining performance. Yes, and duplex stainless steels and super duplex. Yes, and the nitride ferrochrome can improve pitting resistance and strength, and it can also used in The buyers also use the ferrochrome nitride in alloy and specialty steels. Yes, where nitrogen boosts mechanical performance. So, if you are also using the ferrochrome nitride, welcome to uh live your real life example. Uh, welcome to leave your use in the comment. If you also use the in this in this way comment. And then, please allow me to share a real life medium size stainless 5 to 7% for that batch without losing corrosion resistance materials in the ferrochrome nitride. Welcome to leave your comment. Welcome to send your inquiry to us. Whatever in our website or send us the inquiry by email or WhatsApp. We will appreciate your interest in our productions. And then and now let's look at the market trends about the ferrochrome nitride market trends. Just a brief introduction. Yes, globally ferrochrome nitride demand is rising, especially in Asia. Yes, the Middle East and Eastern Europe as the stainless steel production expands. In China, ferrochrome nitride production has matured, yes, and our factories operate under strict nitrogen control and vacuum nitrating systems, ensuring stable nitrogen content uh, between the such as 3 to 4% or 8 to 10% or 5 to 7%. Yes, we can ensure stable nitrogen content between the in the customer's requirement under the customer's requirement. And over the past few months, ferrochrome nitride prices have stayed relatively stable, yes, compared to high carbon ferrochrome. But global stainless output, electricity costs, and logistics all influence the final export price. So if you want to know the price of the ferrochrome nitride, welcome to send the inquiry and to get the latest, the accurate price of this production. Yes, and although the price have stayed relatively stable, but just like what the other elements will also influence the final export price. So if you want to get the accurate price, uh, please please uh, let us know the detailed information that you 不能这么说 the detailed requirement, your detailed requirement, and then we can send the accurate price of the ferrochrome nitride for your reference. And for now, China remains the largest exporter, thanks to strong production capacity and efficient logistics through Tianjin and Qingdao ports. Yes, and China remains the largest exporter. And let me check the comments. Okay, hello Peter, thank you. Yes, good afternoon. How are you? Okay, move on. And then the next part is about why so many buyers chose the Chinese ferrochrome nitride suppliers, especially our company. Yes, Anyang Zhenxin, our company. Why our clients chose us uh, to get the ferrochrome nitride. Yes, first about the uh, the ferrochrome nitride, the producing process. Yes, and maybe this is about the nitride ferrochrome, uh, about the producing process of ferrochrome nitride. Yes, usually our manufacturing facility use the high carbon ferrochrome powder as with a carbon content of approximately 8% as a raw material. The production process is carried out in a vacuum resistance furnace where decarburization is first conducted, followed by nitridation. Yes. About the vacuum resistant furnace, just like my background, the picture, the furnace is the vacuum resistance furnace. You can just see the picture as a reference. And maybe buyers want to will be curious about how we control the nitrogen content. Yes, I will uh, answer the question. The question. After the electric smelting of low carbon ferrochrome is completed, nitrogen gas is filled into the vacuum resistance furnace. Yes, and the nitriding is carried out during the cooling process. The nitriding rate is affected by temperature. Based on rich practical experience, the manufacturer achieves the required nitrogen content by controlling the temperature conditions and the nutrient duration. Yes, that's the way. That's how we control the nitrogen content. And please allow me to share the advantages of our nitride ferrochrome. The first is stable quality, yes, and then about its consistent composition. Yes, guaranteed the chrome between 60% and 70%, and the nitrogen between 3 to 10 or 3 to 4, 8 to 10 or 5 to 7%, and the carbon can be insured under the 0.03%. Yes, and we can also provide the flexible packaging. Yes, the standard packaging is one trim jumbo bags, and we can also provide the pallets or the small bags as according to our client's requirement, and we can provide fast delivery. Yes, ready stock and port-side logistics, such as the Tianjin port or Qingdao port, and we can also provide the complaints support. Yes, our company have been certified the ISO. Yes, we can provide ISO certificates and for your reference, and the SGS or other third party inspection to yes, the SGS or other third party test report and or and other standard documents. Um, when when buyers choose the ferrochrome nitride, they usually face three key challenges. Just check if you also face these challenges. Yes, the first challenge is the composition stability. Stability, yes, because unstable nitrogen or chrome means unstable steel quality. And the second challenge is the delivery task. Yes, long production cycles or delayed shipments cause furnace downtime. The three the third challenge is compliance and payment. Yes, because some suppliers can't provide proper ISO or third-party documents. And at our company, the Anyang Zhenxin Metallurgical Materials company, we solve all of them through a strict quality control system for every batch, ready export stock for immediate shipment, flexible payment, and documentation support for customers clearance. And so our clients don't have to worry. They just don't have to worry. Yes, and they just focus on production. While we handle the rest. Yes, and we have prepared the video of our factory, and in the factory, in the video, you can also watch how we produce the ferrochrome nitride, and let us watch the video together. Okay. Okay. Hi. I find Tina. Hello. Good day. Yes. I'm fine today. Thank you. Hi, Mia. Yes. Thank you for your watching. Yes, that's our factory video. We have looked for the uh, professionals to make the video. Hope you can like this. You can like this. And in the video, you can see the factory how to produce the ferrochrome sheet. And just one time maybe isn't enough. Let's watch it again. Okay, the video is so now please allow me to introduce our company with you. Uh, just a brief introduction. Yes. Um, our company. You can also click our website to get the detailed introductions. Our company uh, has established in 2007. Yes. So we have supplied of our alloys more than 15 years. And now our main products are ferrochrome nitride, silicon nitride, manganese nitride, ferromanganese, ferrosilicon, um, silicon, calcium, and other ferroalloys. Yes, now because our factories is uh, established in Henan province, Anyang City, and there is big ferroalloy distribution center. Yes, so there are rich ferroalloy resource. So if you need ferroalloys, if you are finding if you are looking for the ferroalloys, uh, welcome to send your inquiry to us. Yes, and we will reply to you the uh, accurate price or other information that you need for your reference. Yes, about our complete production facilities. Now we have a small set of production lines of nitride ferroalloys, four sets of production lines for alloy called weir, and six sets of vacuum furnaces, 10 sets furnaces for other purposes. Uh, the more than 15 years supply experience in the China domestic market and more than 10 years experience in the international market. We have rich experience in exporting for foreign countries such as Turkey, South Korea, the Middle East, Europe, and other countries and regions. Yes. So in the you can find the uh, mine productions, mine ferroalloy productions in our website, such as we just introduced the ferrochrome nitride, yes, and ferrochrome and Codeware, calcium metal, calcium alloys, manganese alloys, silicon alloys, and nitride alloys. Today we mainly introduce the ferrochrome, nitride ferrochrome, yes, ferrochrome nitride. We just introduce the key advantages and far from nitride, the key benefits, and its typical technical specification of these productions and the practical application and metallurgical uses and some market trends of this ferrochrome nitride and why other why buyers will choose Chinese ferrochrome nitride and how to our factory how to control the nitrogen content, how to manufacture the ferrochrome nitride and some challenges that when buyers choose ferrosilicon they usually face. Yes. Uh, and 再讲一遍。You can get some of the ferrochrome nitride information in our website. And if you want to get more, okay. Please allow me to introduce the ferrochrome nitride again. And if you just watch our watch our watch our live just now, and uh, please listen to me to my introduction of the ferrochrome nitride. Also, if you are interested in this, please listen to my introduction. And if you also find that the materials, welcome to send your inquiry to us. Yes. Yes, so also start with the basics. What is nitride ferrochrome? What is nitride ferrochrome? It's an alloy of chrome, iron, and nitrogen, with nitrogen intentionally added and stabilized in the metal matrix. Yes, and its core purpose is introducing nitrogen into stainless and alloy steels to increase strength and improve corrosion resistance and often allow partial substitution of nickel. Yes, so briefly, it's mainly used in stainless steel and alloy steel production, especially for grades that require high nitrogen and high strength. For its key benefits, the ferrochrome nitride have about uh, four key benefits. Yes, the first is the higher strength and yield. Yes, adding the ferrochrome nitride in the stainless steel. Nitrogen increase tensile and yield strength without major density or process penalties. And the second is improving corrosion and resistance. Improving corrosion resistance. because especially in austenitic and duplex alloys. The third is the cost optimization. Yes, by reducing nickel content in some stainless grades, manufacturers can lower raw material costs, making production more cost effective. And the last benefit is better fatigue and wear resistance. Yes, improving steel quality, especially fatigue and wear resistance. Advantages for pump shift, fasteners, and critical components. So you can think of it this way. In the family of ferroalloys, ferrochrome nitride is the one that makes the stainless steel both stronger and cheaper. Yes. So in high-end stainless grades like 200 series, double plate stainless steel and high nitrogen steels, ferrochrome nitride is indispensable. For the ferrochrome nitride, about its typical technical ranges used in industry. For example, the ferrochrome, it's always between 60% to 70%. Yes, it's the common range of ferrochrome base. And for its nitrogen content, about 3 to 10%. Usually, our European buyers prefer nitrogen content of 3 to 4%, and wheel buyers in the Middle East and other regions prefer nitrogen content of 8 to 10%. Also, the carbon is the important element in the ferrochrome nitride, and the carbon content in these materials is always very low, often lower. It's often lower than 0.03% when intended for high-grade stainless use. So, uh, which grade are you using now? If you have if you uh, would like to talk about the grade you are using and want to get a price for reference, welcome to leave your comments or uh, send us the inquiry to us by the website or the email, official email or WhatsApp. We will appreciate your inquiry. And then about the practical application and metallurgical uses of ferrochrome nitride. Also, where do buyers actually use ferrochrome nitride? Just like we introduced before, uh, there are about four uh, 4 point four uses. Yes, four uses. The first is the 200 series stainless steels. Partial nickel replacement to lower costs while retaining performance. Double stainless steel and super double improved pitting resistance and strength. High nitrogen steels, the used in fasteners, valves, marine components requiring excellent strength and corrosion resistance. And the last is alloy and special steels. Yes, where nitrogen boosts mechanical performance. And our client, medium size stainless mill replace the port of their nickel with ferrochrome nitride in a 12200 series, and the result is yield strength improved and alloy cost dropped. If you and without losing corrosion resistance in standard test. So if you are also looking for the materials, if you are also interested in the materials, welcome to leave your comment or leave your inquiry. So some market trends, some far from nitride market trends. Let's look at it. Globally, ferrochrome nitride demand is rising, especially in Asia, the Middle East, and Eastern Europe, as the stainless steel production expands. In China, ferrochrome nitride production has matured. Our factories operate under strict nitrogen control and vacuum nitriding systems, ensuring stable nitride content between 3 to 4 or 8 to 10 or 5 to 7%. Over the past few months, ferrochrome nitride prices have stayed relatively stable compared to high-carbon ferrochrome, but global stainless output, electricity costs, and logistics all influence the final export prices. So, if you want to get the accurate export price, please let me know your specification and size requirements and the quantity requirement, your destination requirement. Yes, uh, the more detailed information we can provide the we can provide more accurate price for your reference. Accurate, accurate, accurate. No. And about Zhenxin's producing process of the ferrochrome nitride. Our manufacturing facility uses high carbon ferrochrome powder, yes, as the raw material. The production process is carried out in a vacuum resistance furnace. You can find our background the picture. This furnace is the vacuum resistant furnace. Yes. Uh, the production process is carried out in the vacuum resistant furnace where decarburization is first conducted and followed by nitridation. So maybe someone will be curious how Zhenxin controls the nitrogen content. Actually, after the electric smelting of low carbon ferrochrome is completed, nitrogen gas is filled into the vacuum resistant furnace and the nitriding is carried out during the cooling process. The nitriding rate is affected by temperature. Based on rich practical experience, the manufacturer achieves the required nitrogen content by controlling the temperature conditions and the nitriding duration. So, why so many buyers choose the Chinese ferrochrome nitride suppliers, especially our company, the Anyang Zhenxin Metallurgical Materials company, because we can provide the consistent we can provide the high quality ferrochrome nitride that's stable quality, consistent composition, flexible packaging, and a fast delivery, and the complete support. We can provide the ISO certificates the SGS test report or other standard documents for your reference. And many buyers, when they choose ferrochrome nitride, they usually face three key challenges. What's the three key challenges? The first is composition stability. Yes, because unstable nitrogen or chrome is unstable steel quality. And the second is the delivery risk. Long production cycles or delayed shipments cause finance downtime. And the third is complaint payment because some suppliers can't provide proper ISO or third-party documents. And at Anyang Zhenxin, our company, we solve all of them through first strict quality control system for every batch and every batch 每一批吧。ready export stock for immediate shipment, and flexible payment and documentation support for customers clearance. So our clients don't have to worry. We just focus on production while we handle the rest. Yes. So in the lab, let's watch the factory video again. You can find the production process in the video. Hope it's useful for you. Okay, so before we wrap up, let me summarize. Ferrochrome nitride is essential for cost-effective stainless steel production, and China leads the global supply with strong production and logistics. Our company Anyang Zhenxin provides stable quality, flexible delivery, and complete documentation. So, if you'd like to discuss the from nitride specifications, price trends, or request a trial batch, please message us. Uh, Please message us directly or leave a comment below. So thank you for joining our live session. Let's stay connected and I look forward to building strong partnership with you all. Bye bye.